Good morning guys, in front of me is POCO F8 Pro and let me show you how to fix app crashing. So, if your app stuck for some unknown reason and you have no idea what to do, you can perform several steps. The first one is always to perform a soft reset. So all you have to do is tap on power button and hold it. Okay, so power button and volume up button, hold it and mark reboot. Wait till it's done. So once it's rebooted, just unlock your device. And if this app is still not working, just open your Play Store. Open the app. Open the app that is not working properly. See the days under updates available. And if it's, for example, Facebook, and you see that there is a new version available, just mark on update. Wait till it's done. And as soon as it is updated, just check it again. If it's still not working, just open the settings and check if your system is up to date. To do it, just mark about phone, and as you can see, mine is not. There is new version available, so just open it and mark download update. And then if it's still not working, and again you open the app and it's like you are not able to use it, just locate it and remove it. Uninstall and then download it from Play Store again. Tap on install, and after that it should work. It should be working properly. And now open the app. So it will definitely help you to resolve the problem. Definitely it will be done after the first action, but if not, you can go through all of them to fix app crashing. So that's it. That will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.